Do you focus on building things or building people in your work, in your team, in your company, or even in your family? When we talk here today, I want to help you recognize how focusing on people can really unlock the opportunity for you and your team and your organization. Let's jump into it. Okay, so today we're talking about building people rather than building things. And when I talk about things, there are all sorts of things that we could be building. I spent a lot of my time as an engineer and engineering leader building products and processes, software, and all sorts of things that need to be accomplished. And sometimes when we think about things, it's just like the tasks that need to be checked off the list. And that's where our focus is. We need to get these things done. But sometimes we do that, and those are good things to be focused on. We do need to accomplish those things. We want to build great products that have great impact for the end users and the people that use the things that we build and create and improve. But sometimes we do that to the detriment of building the people and their capacity and their ability to do these things inside of our teams and organizations. And so I want to just provide kind of a contrast frame for you to think about this in a different way. So I want to show you something and build out a quick model with a few different things. So if you think about the horizontal axis here, thinking about things on one side, and this is kind of a focus, and then people on the other. Again, the things, this can be tasks, projects, or anything related to that, right? And so just first of all, consider, where are you on that spectrum right now? Are you more focused on the things or the people that need to be built up? Now, on the vertical axis, we can think about the really practical items that need to be done or accomplished. On the top end, we can think about things that are inspirational, right? So now you have this contrast of practical to inspirational. And in my experience, working across a number of different industries, most people and organizations and teams focus any sort of personal development work in the engineering and technology world. We spend a lot of time right here. Focus on developing people, their capabilities to do the practical things that need to be accomplished. We might spend a little bit of time on some of this up here, where we're talking about things that are connecting people to the why and the purpose of what they're creating. But we are often neglecting, probably 80% or more is focused on that bottom left quadrant. We might spend 5 or 10% up above. But if we can shift over to thinking about how do we build the practical people skills, build their capacity to do these things, and then inspire people in a big way to really help them see and unlock their potential, then good things are going to happen. And so I just want you to consider for a second, where do you stand? Where is your time and your focus going at the moment? Because there may be an opportunity for you, your team, your organization, if you're a leader, or even if you're an individual contributor and you're just saying, hey, I want to try and make this better, a better situation, a better culture for me and the team that I work in. Well, then you have an opportunity to say, hey, how can I move the needle just a little bit more to focus on the people? Because when we focus on people, a lot of good things happen. There's increased engagement, higher retention, higher productivity, which leads to higher profitability, and all sorts of good things happen. There's a lot of research behind that. But in its essence, it's just, are you focused more on the things that need to get done or the people that need to be built up and how you can improve them and their capacity to do great work? My name is Jeff Perry. I'm a leadership and career development expert and the author of The Intentional Engineer. And really what I'm all about, after spending years and years building products and processes and things, is building people. And I'd love to help you, your team, your organization do just that, to change that focus on people. We do that through customized programs and workshops and coaching. I'd love to talk with you about how to make that happen, to really improve things, but really more importantly, the people at your organization. Thanks so much. Hope to talk soon, and we'll see you on the next video.